Let's take a look at 4 home plans under 2,000 square feet. The first one is the Marissa, Plan 1597. This charming modern farmhouse design features arches, gable brackets, and shutters. Inside, the floor plan promotes easy living with an open great room, kitchen, and breakfast nook. A split bedroom design grants privacy to all bedrooms, and the master suite enjoys a cathedral ceiling, luxurious bathroom, and a walk-in closet. This plan has an optional bonus room with a full bathroom and walk-in closet upstairs. Next up is the Gemma, Plan 1587. This modern farmhouse features simple wooden gable brackets and black frame windows to complement the white board and batten facade. A front entry garage and narrow width makes this home neighborhood friendly. The floor plan is thoughtfully arranged with open living spaces, a cathedral ceiling for vertical height, and a skylight and sun tunnel to bring in natural light. The master suite is spacious and separate from the secondary bedrooms. The Wilfred, Plan 1565, is next in line. This craftsman design has a front entry garage and a welcoming front porch. A cathedral ceiling extends from the great room to the screened porch. The kitchen centers around an island and skylight sits above. The master bedroom enjoys a tray ceiling, and the bathroom is designed with a double vanity and walk-in shower. A skylight tops the secondary bath, and the utility room has a sun tunnel. Last but not least is the Thomasina, Plan 1497. This modern farmhouse features a white board and batten exterior with contrasting dark shutters and roof. A welcoming front porch leads to an open floor plan. The great room gains vertical space from a vaulted ceiling and opens to a spacious rear porch topped with skylights. The kitchen enjoys an adjacent breakfast nook, and a dining room is just around the corner for large family gatherings. The master suite offers every amenity with a cathedral ceiling, luxury bathroom, and walk-in closet. 2 additional bedrooms share a bathroom, and a bonus room is available for extra square footage. After seeing all 4 plans, what's your favorite? Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more home plan videos.